Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, September 29th. Just a quick reminder before we get started. You have picture day September 30th or October 1st, depending on what day you're going to be here. So make sure that the next time you come to school, you are picture ready. Today, the first thing you need to do is check in on campus, and then we are going to look at the narrative diamond. So go to this link right here where it says narrative diamond, click on that, and it'll take you to a YouTube video of me talking about what the narrative diamond is. Then after you're done watching that, you have an assignment that helps you practice with the narrative diamond. So click on big boy assignment. This story is weird and funny, so don't take it too seriously. It's about a guy having to go to the bathroom at a party. So, keep that in mind as you read. Don't take it too seriously. Click on make a copy when you pull that up, and then change it from copy of up here. Click on copy of, delete that, and type in your last name. Don't type in last name, type in your last name. So let's take a look at the directions. It says, everyone has had the uncomfortable experience of using the bathroom while at a party when something isn't going as planned. In this classic personal narrative, originally published in Esquire magazine, Sedaris recounts one such experience. Keep this story as an example or a guide for how to write a personal narrative. Begin by reading the narrative, paying attention to the choices the author makes. For example, how he starts, what details he includes, how he uses dialogue, and how the dialogue or how the characters reflect on their experience, or how David Sedaris reflects on his experience. And then afterward, in the left margin, using the highlight tool, mark off each section. So go ahead and you can just highlight, mark off each section of the narrative diamond, and then you will make a comment. So click comment and then type in whichever part it is, the entertaining beginning, the elaborate detail, the suspense, the main event, the solution, the conclusion, all of that stuff. If you need to take a look at the narrative diamond again and you want that structure, but you don't want to watch the video again, if you go to Schoology and then click in your narrative folder, and then the narrative diamond slideshow without the video is right here. So you can go through and you can see all the different parts listed right there. So if you need a quick review or note sheet on that, it's in Schoology in the narrative unit folder inside the plot outlines folder for you. So if you have questions, please let me know. Once you're finished, you can submit it on Schoology in one of these drop boxes, whichever hour you are in. Have a great day, guys.